So many of us are staying at home during these uncertain times. We, as a parents, have to stop and ask ourselves, what do our children need at this time? The answer is they want to keep themselves engaged. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all 4 things to do with your toddler when you are stuck at home. Some of these ideas are more entertaining and some are more productive. I hope you will find some inspiration in this video. Also, they are super easy and non-expensive, and I am sure they will keep your child busy for long time. So the first game is where is the object? For this, you're gonna need few objects similar one in which you can hide the small objects, just like Titli's favorite toy I have taken over here. So I'm just gonna put that thing inside the glass as you are seeing here, and I will shuffle it and ask her to count till 10. When her eyes is closed, I will shuffle it again and ask her to find it. So much fun to see them finding that object, and so the time will come you both will enjoy, laugh and giggle. It is a game in which you will be able to entertain your kid with lots of fun. Now the second one is the rain experiment. For this you need some food color, shaving cream, spoon, water, also glass. You're gonna start with 2 balls of water and some food color, and then fill a glass 3/4 full of water, and then you are going to put the shaving cream on the top of the water. I gave Titli a teaspoon to spread the color over the water. Basically, it's a colorful rain experiment showing how cloud gets heavy with water and then it starts raining. I know it's above our head, of course, but it's a very cute experiment. You're gonna try this experiment with your kids and they will enjoy over an hour. The third game is Wash Sensory Bin. It's just water in a bucket with some toys, and sometimes it's dish soap, sometimes doll taking bath, and Titli just plays and have fun. She loves water play and sensory bin. Also, she is very obsessed with washing dishes these days. So I just leave towels down and let her play. And yay, this is also a very cute ideas to play with toddlers. They get entertained over and over, hour and hour. And the last one is watch the childhood classic. Make a list of must watch movie. Try to watch movies with your kids. Watch the movie that you haven't watched for the really long time that reminds you of your childhood. I just got free trial on Disney apps. I am going to watch the original Lion King. So this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this and got some new ideas to accelerate. If yes, then make sure that you give a thumbs up and share with all that moms, those who have 2 to 5-year-old at their homes, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.